Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today, guys. How are you guys doing? Welcome back. I really do appreciate you guys for coming back. Ooh, tongue-tied. So this is another group recommendation named StarBe, and this is a music video to their song Bye Bye Drama. I don't know where this group is from, but I'm here for it. So let me see what this female gonna be giving us. Yeah, I'm already like the beat. Yes. Okay, who is this group? Indian iPop. What are these other girls doing? Crazy. Look at the guys. Yes. Yeah. Oh, this song alone. StarBe, I like y'all. Oh, they do love them. They love to wear them contacts over there. Blah 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 drama, blah 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 blah. Yes. Go back, go back, go back, go back. Blah 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 drama, drama blah 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 drama, drama blah 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 drama, drama blah 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 drama. Doom, 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 doom. Yes. Yes. No shade to Foxy Rose and MOI. I think they too is iPop, but StarBe, I'm sold. We're only 2 minutes in. I am sold. No offense to those other two groups that you guys recommend me react to, but this is what I need to see. This is what I need to see. This group can go up against the P-pop girls, the J-pop girls, the K-pop girls. Not saying Foxy Brown and MOI can't do it, but I'm just saying though, what I needed was Bye Bye Drama. StarBe, this iPop, this is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. Blah 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 drama, drama blah 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 drama, blah 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 drama. Oh blah blah drama blah 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 drama. Boom boom. Yes. Drama blah 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 drama, drama blah 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 drama. Yes yes. Drama drama drama. Ooh. Ooh, I keep mixing up the lyrics. You know, I would get fired from this group. Love that pink hair. Yes, yes. StarBe. Ooh, he's drama. S. B. StarBe. S B B bitch. Let's go back. And StarBe. 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 Go, go. StarBe. Go. StarBe. Bitch, yes. Yes. Yes, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here for this. Like I said before, no offense. Oh. Come on with the sound effects. They playing checkers while I'm playing chess. Okay, that's the end of it. So that was the group StarBe with their music video to the song Bye Bye Drama. I'm here for it. This is what I wanted to see. No offense to those other group, Foxy Rose, MI8, there's nothing to those girls. But this is what I want to see. StarBe, y'all got me. Kemari reaction here, I got me. You guys got me with this first video. I'm gonna keep an eye on those girls. I'm gonna keep an eye on them girls. So thanks to the one who recommended me to work this group. I really do appreciate it. Because I was worried. Like I said, no offense to those other two groups, but I was like, ooh, I was worried. But StarBe, well, in the background, you guys could see them in the background. Obviously, they were gonna slay me, but they gave me what I needed. So thanks for that. Everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And please, God, no, please make it be good. You guys know what I like. Know what I want, give it to me. So I really do appreciate that. I will say this over and over. Who can do you besides you? Nobody else can. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Bye bye. No more drama.